Do you really need a carbon monoxide detector in your Boise area single-family home? Well, the answer is yes and no. My name's Mike Rampelberg. I'm the principal for Greater Boise Property Management, one of the most respected property management companies in the Greater Boise area. We manage single-family, duplex, and quadruplex homes all the way from East Boise through West Caldwell. Let me give you an overview of the carbon monoxide situation and then the answers to the specific questions. But first, let me tell you why it's important. I have a friend who manages the maintenance for about 250 apartments, and they replaced their smoke detectors with combination smoke detector carbon monoxide detectors. In the first year, they had 4 valid carbon monoxide incidents, and no one was hurt, but each of those incidents, something needed to be fixed. So carbon monoxide itself is a colorless, odorless gas that can kill you. And it's produced by any fuel-burning appliance like furnaces and hot water heaters. And if the home is not vented properly or the device is not operating properly, the carbon monoxide can accumulate and cause headaches, dizziness, vomiting, even death. And that's what kind of sparked the situation here in this area. There was, in 2012, there was a 19-year-old Marine who died from carbon monoxide poisoning in Meridian. The cause was an improperly vented water heater. This really caused Meridian and then Boise to adopt similar laws requiring all multifamily homes to install smoke detectors right away and single-family residences to install them whenever they have a building permit pulled. Now that's a building permit for any purpose within the city boundaries. So the answer to your question, do I need carbon monoxide detectors, is, well, it depends. Some cities require them when you pull a building permit, and others don't require them. You really need to check with the Planning and Zoning Department because there are several restrictions and exceptions. But maybe a better question is, how do I find someone to help me install the right carbon monoxide detector so that my tenants are healthy and well? Give me a call. We can recommend qualified contractors to do that for you.